Each morning, you awaken with a sense of resilience, prepared to tackle whatever the day brings. Now, let's make that vision a reality. As you watch this video, envision yourself mastering the art of maintaining inner peace amidst chaos. Stoic philosophy teaches us that we have the ability to control our reactions to life's ups and downs. By embracing these Stoic principles, you can foster strength and tranquility, just as the ancient Stoics practiced. As the wise philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you respond to it that counts." So, let's delve into these principles together. Remember, even small changes today can lead to a calmer tomorrow. Welcome to Evolvian. It's truly an honor to have you here. As we begin, I encourage you once again to make a commitment to yourself and to this transformative journey. 1. Seek growth, not perfection. In Stoic philosophy, the focus is on making progress rather than achieving an unattainable ideal. Perfection is a concept that can lead to stress, anxiety, and disappointment because it sets an impossible standard. Instead, concentrate on growth, on learning, improving, and moving forward. This doesn't mean you shouldn't strive to do your best. Rather, do so with the understanding that the goal is progress, not perfection. Look for opportunities to grow every day. It could be as simple as trying a new approach to solve a problem at work or learning to play a musical instrument. Growth can be found in both big challenges and small victories. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing new experiences. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Finished a challenging task? Take a moment to appreciate your effort. Learned from a mistake? That's growth. Celebrate it. These small victories and lessons build a mindset of progress and resilience. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, a way to improve. This journey isn't about reaching a final state of perfection, but about continuously evolving and adapting. As you embrace this growth mindset inspired by Stoic principles, you'll find that stress and pressure diminish, replaced by a sense of ongoing accomplishment and fulfillment. By focusing on growth rather than perfection, you can lead a more balanced, resilient, and fulfilling life. 2. Embrace change as an inevitable part of life. Whether it's shifting seasons, evolving fashion trends, advancing technology, or changing relationships, change is the one constant we can count on. Resisting change is like trying to stop the wind. It's exhausting and ultimately impossible. Instead, embracing change is empowering. It signifies adaptability, flexibility, and resilience. It's important to clarify that embracing change doesn't mean you have to love every change that comes your way. It's about not letting the fear of change control you. When faced with change, take a moment to evaluate it. What has changed? What is new, different, or missing? Then consider how you can adapt. Perhaps you need to acquire a new skill for a career transition, or find innovative ways to maintain a long-distance relationship. Adaptation is your strength. It's how you thrive amidst change. Amidst the ever-changing landscape of life, remember that you can find stability within yourself. Your core values, goals, and passions are your constants. They anchor you in the turbulent waters of change. When everything around you is shifting, return to these constants. They will guide you through the storm. While you can't predict the future, you can prepare for it. Keep learning, growing, and challenging yourself. The more you do this, the better equipped you'll be to navigate whatever changes come your way. 3. Practice gratitude daily. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating the good in our lives, even amidst challenges. Practicing gratitude isn't about ignoring problems or putting on a false happy face. It's about finding the silver lining, the glint of gold in any situation. Consider this. You missed the bus and now you're late. It's frustrating, but it also gives you an unexpected moment to enjoy the fresh air and scenery. Take a deep breath and appreciate it. Or perhaps you spilled coffee on your favorite shirt. It's disappointing, but it's also an opportunity to discover a new favorite outfit buried in your closet. Maybe that shirt you haven't worn in a while is ready for a comeback. A simple practice to incorporate gratitude into your daily life is to identify 3 small joys each day. It could be a shared joke with a friend, the way the sunlight filters through the trees, or even a delicious meal. By focusing on these small joys, you can balance the scales and prevent yourself from being weighed down solely by life's challenges. When you're having a particularly tough day, gratitude can be a game changer. Stuck in traffic? It's an opportunity for a solo concert in your car. Feeling overwhelmed at work? Remember, you're in the forge, getting stronger and sharper with each challenge you face. Echoing the words of the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Embrace gratitude as a daily practice to cultivate resilience, positivity, and a deeper appreciation for life's blessings, both big and small. 4. Harness the strength of perspective. Life can often feel like sailing through choppy waters. Sometimes you're riding the crest of a wave, and other times you're navigating a storm. In the midst of this ever-changing landscape, your perspective can be your secret weapon. Stoicism teaches us that it's not external events, but our reactions to them that truly matter. Imagine your mind as a fortress, strong and resilient. Like a fortress, your mind can observe without being swept away by external events. It reflects everything, both the pleasant and the challenging, but it doesn't have to react impulsively. When faced with adversity, step back and observe the situation as if you're an outsider. This detachment isn't about indifference. It's about maintaining your inner peace amid chaos. Each day presents you with choices: how to respond to criticism, how to handle setbacks, or how to manage stress. These are opportunities to practice Stoicism. You can't control external events or other people's actions, but you can control your reactions. This is where your true power lies. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Embrace this wisdom and choose calm over chaos, understanding over anger. Start with a simple practice. The next time something minor irritates you, pause and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, is getting upset worth sacrificing my peace? Visualize yourself responding calmly and rationally. With practice, this approach will become your default response, even in more significant challenges. Changing your perspective isn't about denying your feelings. It's about managing them in a way that keeps you grounded and at peace. This shift in perspective is a powerful tool in your Stoic toolkit. Use it wisely, and you'll find that your world begins to transform, not because the world around you has changed, but because you have. 5. Embrace simplicity in life. Life often seems complicated, but many of these complications are self-created. Embracing simplicity means focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the unnecessary. It's about finding joy in the simple pleasures, like a stroll in nature, a peaceful moment with a good book, or a heartfelt conversation with a loved one. Start by decluttering not just your physical surroundings, but also your mental space. Identify which obligations, activities, or thoughts are not adding value to your life and let them go. Focus on what enriches you and brings you genuine happiness. Simplifying your life can reduce stress and bring clarity to your priorities. Establishing a simple and consistent routine can provide a sense of peace and stability. While it doesn't have to be rigid, having a general structure for your day can help keep stress at bay and ensure that you allocate time to what truly matters: work, rest, and relationships. Simplicity is about finding contentment in the present moment. It's about recognizing that you don't need more to be happy. You just need to appreciate what you already have. This doesn't mean you shouldn't strive for improvement or growth, but do so from a place of contentment rather than a sense of lacking. As you embrace simplicity, you'll find that life becomes more peaceful, joyful, and fulfilling. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the unnecessary, you can create a life that is rich in meaning and contentment. Remember, Stoicism isn't just a philosophy. It's a way of life that can bring you greater peace, resilience, and fulfillment. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on Stoicism and personal growth. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How do you incorporate Stoicism into your daily life? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other.